Hi guys. So this is our fractions number 1. So we're just going to talk a little bit about fractions. So first off, you're going to need a piece of paper. It doesn't matter what size or color or anything like that. You just need one piece of paper. And with that piece of paper, there's my piece of paper. I just want you to fold it in half. And it can be hamburger style, it can be hot dog style, whichever you choose. So I'm just going to fold this and I'm going to make 2 equal parts. So the equal parts is important. So what I mean by that is this side is going to be the same size as the other. Okay, so please do that. If you need to press pause, do that now. Okay, so when we think of a fraction, we always start with one whole piece of paper. So no matter what we do to it, we still have one whole piece of paper. So I folded it in half. I still have one whole piece of paper. How many parts do I have on this piece of paper? 1, 2. I have 2 parts of one whole. Okay, next I want you to take a pencil or marker or pen, whatever you have, piece of chalk even, and I just want you to color in one side. So pick a side, it doesn't matter which side, and just color it in like this. Okay, so press pause and color in one side, one part. Okay, so hopefully you've pressed pause, you've colored that in. Now, how many whole pieces of paper do I have? I still just have one whole piece of paper. How many parts did I color in? 1 part. How many parts were there all together? There are 2 parts of one whole. I've colored in 1 part of 2 pieces or 2 parts. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to fold that in half again. So if I folded like a hot dog, then next I want you to fold like a hamburger. Now, as you're doing that, I want you to think about how many parts, how many equal parts will I have now? So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So 4 rectangles that make up one whole piece of paper. So this isn't 2 pieces of paper, this isn't 4 pieces of paper, this is still just one piece of paper, but I have made it into 4 parts. 4 parts. Okay, it's just like the same as if I took an apple and I shared it with Chase and with Nevaeh and with Jet. If I broke it into 4 parts, I still had one whole apple. Okay, so how I want you to think about that is like this. I have 1 whole piece of paper, 1 whole. Then, how many do I have colored in right now? 1, 2, 2 parts of the whole are colored in. So 2 parts are colored. 2 parts are colored in. So I colored in 2 out of how many parts? How many parts are there in this whole piece? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 parts. I colored in 2 of the 4 parts. So four parts make the whole. So the way that we show that Oh no. You still there? The way that we show that is by making fractions. So fractions are how we show parts of a whole piece. So if you order a pizza with your family, those aren't always equal pieces, but let's say they did make them into equal pieces. So if there's 3 people in your family, if you had 1 piece out of 10 pieces of pizza, that's a fraction. You had a fraction of a whole pizza. You might eat the whole pizza. If that's the case, you had the whole pizza. Okay, so that is video 1. You are going to have some questions that go with this that are very similar to the questions we just did. So if you need to rewatch, go for it.